Good day, sir, ma'am. I'm Lovely Joy Ordinario Mendoza, 31 years old, married, and very blessed to have three lovely children. My oldest daughter is 12 years old and my second daughter is 11 years old. My only son is 7 years old and I live here in Parang Calapan City, Oriental Mindoro, Philippines. I am a Roman Catholic and completed my vocational course. I have experience working as a caregiver where I took care of elderly woman. I assisted her with daily activities and especially to drink her medicine. I am a hardworking, responsible, and patient person. I am willing to take care of babies, elderly people. I can also do cooking, take care of pets, and cleaning the house. I am applying to work in your country because I want to provide a better future for my children and support my family. I am ready to give my best and follow the rules of your country. And I hope to be part of a kind and respectful employee's household. I hope you choose me and I'm looking forward to work with you. Thank you and God bless.